Hi, I'm Frank Girodi with Costello Commercial. Here at Costello Commercial, we're committed to bringing turnkey solutions to buyers, sellers, or investors. We tailor the right solution for you, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or diversify your existing investment portfolio. Here at Costello Commercial, we have you covered on all product types, whether it's multifamily, commercial investments, leasing, land, retail, we do all that.
John Costello with Costello Real Estate Investments here. When we founded the company, we always had the vision to have a commercial presence as well, so we can bring more than one asset class to the customer. But we really needed the right leader to do that. And with everything that Frank brings to the table as it relates to his commercial experience, couple that with what we have done on the residential side and bring that culture to what we're doing as a commercial team, we believe we bring something fresh and new to the market that's going to create a very unique customer experience. We're extremely excited for the future.